Hello and welcome back to another exciting episode. Today we are going to unbox the Kobalt 297-piece mechanics tool set. I got this for my son as a housewarming gift for his new place. It is a wonderful starter kit. I will say that the hinges are a little flimsy, but they do work quite sufficiently. And as you open up, you will see that everything that you need is in there and everything has its place. I was very impressed with the setup. Now the screwdriver, you do have to push it a little hard to make sure it's seated. But if you look down, it has 3 different size ratchets and it has bits. Then everything again is in place. And the really cool thing about those bits is everything is really clearly marked, nice and good. So you can't really misplace anything unless you really try. They even have a really cool set of nut drivers and a pretty good range of them too, as you see here. Opening up the top drawer, you'll see that a couple of the sockets were out of place, but considering how much this thing was probably moved around in the warehouse, and by the time it got into my son's house, with only a few of them knocked out, that wasn't too bad. So everything holds pretty darn well. You even have some long sockets in the bottom, which I really enjoyed seeing. So, yep, thumbs up to all that. Well, that's about it. It's a real quick unboxing. I hope you appreciated that. And as always, have a great day.